What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, I will be taking you through my transformation from busted to beat. Let's go ahead and jump right on into this video. So first I'm going to start out by spraying my face with this Wet n Wild Cucumber Face Mist, and then I'm going to go in with my foundation. I'm using my favorite drugstore foundation. This is the Revlon Candid in the shade 510 Cappuccino. I mentioned this in my summer favorites video, and it is still a favorite of mine. You guys have to try this if you have not already. The concealer from this Candid line is bomb too. I'm not sure what shade this one is, but I will list all the products that I'm using in the description box below. And then I'm going to contour using my Wet n Wild stick, and this is in the shade Wears Walnut. And I'm going to blend that out with my beauty sponge and a brush. And then I'm going to go ahead and set my face using the Revlon Candid setting powder. So typically while I'm getting ready, I like to listen to music, but on this day I wanted to watch Tall Girl, which is a Netflix original movie. Lately I have been on a Netflix movie kick and I cannot get enough. If you guys have any recommendations for movies that you think I would like, leave me a comment down below. Or if you guys want to hear about the movies that I have been loving recently, I could probably talk about them in a chit chat get ready with me video. So if you guys are interested, I would love to do that for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and get started on the eyes. I'm using this Alamar Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I got this in a boxy charm, I want to say last April, and I'm just going to use the dark brown and the terracotta rust color shade, and then I'm going to go in with my Lurella Cosmetics on the edge palette for a gold shimmer shade for my lid. You could use whatever kind of shades you want. I'm sure everybody has these in their collection. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will talk to you guys in a bit.
Don't change the subject.
Yes.
What are you doing?
I'm doing my makeup. You gotta come over here. You want to see yourself on the TV? Ready? Say hi.
Hi.
So I really loved how this eye look was turning out, and I didn't want to mess it up by trying to do a wing liner. So I went in with this Maybelline Eye Studio Creme eyeliner, but it actually dried out, so I ended up using this one by Pretty Vulgar, and it worked out really well. It was super easy to use, and I was actually pretty impressed. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the dark brown shade and run that along my lower lash line, and then we are done with the eyes aside from mascara and lashes and all that. And then I'm going to go ahead and finish up the face. I'm using my Sephora Microsmooth powder in the shade Tan. This is my all-time favorite face powder. It makes you look like you are face tuned. It's amazing. I first heard about this from Melissa Ashley, and I haven't used another face powder since, so that should say something. And then I'm going to use my ColourPop No Filter press powder for a bronzer, and I have my ABH blush trio, and I'm using the shade Vegas. Per usual, that is my favorite blush shade, and I usually go a little bit overboard with blush because I just think that it looks so pretty. And then I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter and highlight my face, and then we'll move on to the lips. It's still so crazy to me how I used to never wear lashes and now I am so obsessed with them. So to finish off this look, I'm going to line my lips with this Milani lip pencil in the shade Naked, and then I'm going to take a Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Hot Toddy to fill them in. I did get a few of her lipsticks, they were defective, but if you guys want to watch that review, I will link it above in the cards. And that is it for the makeup, so let's go ahead and get started on this hair. Okay, let's go ahead and get started on this hair. The first thing I'm going to do is pull all of my hair up into a very sleek top knot, and then I'm going to lay down my edges using some Got2b gel in the yellow bottle, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys what hair I'll be using for the braidless crochet ponytail. As I have mentioned to you guys before, I do have a little bit of trouble laying down my edges. I don't know why, I just feel like I can't ever get them right and they don't look that good. But I have been practicing lately, and I feel like one product that really helps me get super sleek edges that last all day is the Got2b Glue Gel. I've tried a lot of different edge controls and I feel like throughout the day they just don't last. Maybe it's the Florida humidity, maybe it's my super curly hair, I don't know. But using this product always makes my edges really sleek and they last all day long, and I can definitely appreciate that.
Yeah?
I need to go on the beach really bad.
What?
I need to go on the beach really bad.
You need to go to the beach really bad?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
To apologize for it. I have
Go to the beach
best friend.
really bad.
Yeah.
Can you help me?
Can I help you?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you poor little thing.
So the hair that I'm going to use for this style is by Jana Collection, and it is their 2x Peruvian crochet hair in 18 inches, and I do have it in a color number 2. So here's how I am attaching the crochet hair to the hair tie. I'm going to pull the loop through, and then I'm going to do like a slip knot, and then taking the 2 strands tie a regular knot like how you would tie your shoes. I hope this makes sense. It is very easy, and you could do this style in under 30 minutes if that. This hair is very soft, so don't be alarmed if the knots don't stay super tight. Once you put the hair tie on your hair, it's not going to go anywhere. The hair's not going to slip out or anything like that, so you're good. This hair is very soft and it is easy to work with. It will tangle though, but that's the beauty of this style. You don't have to wear it for super long periods of time. Once you're done with the day, take the ponytail out, and the more that you wear this hair, the bigger and fluffier it's going to get, which is a style that I love. So here I am taking my wide tooth comb just to fluff out those curls even more to make it look a little bit more natural. First time that I saw this style done was by Brie Hall here on YouTube. She posted a tutorial a few months back, and I have been obsessed with it, and I've done this style a few times since I saw that video. It is so easy, and I encourage you guys to try it out. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, make sure you give this one a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.